people. Now we're at a museum of airplanes. Yeah, a museum of airplanes. And here we got inside of the airplane split. There is a cargo spot and some seats so that you sit and the upper floor. And as you can see, we're in an airplane museum. We're about to go in an airplane itself. So yeah.
We are right now sitting in a airplane that's not real, but we tried checking, and this is economy class, and this is first class. This is first class. First class, and yeah. And there's a little kitchen where only pilots can go. Alright. Only attendants or pilots can get in here. Here's the foods and where you can put stuff. These are the spots where they put food when they're serving someone, or put something like little. There's a little spot where they can put some like food or something. Here's where they put maybe foods, or like when they ask you a food brand, when they want like chicken or beef, they get it from one of these spots. And then yeah, and this is the little drink area, I'm pretty sure. A little drink area. And then here's the levers, and then there's used towels. So these are towels. These are wastes. And then yeah, this is a restroom for the attendants or pilots here. And then there's a call button there. Attendant call, so you call the attendant. Let's go up to the pilot spot. They're starting a movie outside, a little one. This is the spot. Apparently, there's supposed to be 3 pilots sitting, so one can like in the back can sleep or stuff, and then the front control. Then one in few hours or time, they switch spots. When it's on when it's on like turbulence, and then they finish turbulence and put it like controlling by themselves. They switch spots when it's landing, and yeah, that's all. This is the first class. These are the spots where you put your suitcase, and these are lights, and the yellow little dot is a call button. as you can see, guys, we have lots of planes here, and they're different size and different color, which means they're a different type of airplane. Now we're gonna ride an airplane that's called JA8628, and I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, 2 pilots, me and you. We could go to the blue, and I go to this side. This looks old.
This plane used to be moving at it's in 1987. So this is why it's this old. Yeah. I think it's not a plane. I think it's a jet. And as you hear, I think this is a steering wheel. So if I lift it up, I think the plane will start flying. And if I put it back, it'll just be normal.
So if someone pulls it out, they'll both go out.
Wow! Yeah, it'll both go out. Oh, but it'll steer the wrong direction. Yeah. So this says battery select. And a lot of other stuff. I think this plane is a battery plane. Landing gear. So yeah, we're gonna be going in this plane. Ooh. Yeah, it looks fun. We got a helicopter here. We have moved from the planes. So the difference in a helicopter and a plane is helicopters have big wings, not wings, sorry, blades. So they use those blades to fly.
Let's try get in. This is a Japan helicopter, by the way.
Japanese. Here's the logo that represents Japan Police and Firemen. This helicopter is for police and firemen. So they ride this. Even medical people